So here's an update on my chainsaw mill. I was able to square these logs on 3 sides. Not really square, but as square as things could get. An issue with using a saw that is this light duty is the fact that you can only put on a light duty bar. And it's got a lot of flex and wiggle to it. So I had a real hard time keeping my edges actually truly square. So you can see over here where it's thinner, it's able to maintain a more square edge. But over here, where she's a little thicker, down here flared out as the bar got pushed this way. But I did beef up the bar as best as I could. There's a piece of 1-inch angle iron here that comes down, and this is what supports my clamp. And I made this piece of, what is that, 3/16 by 2-inch to stabilize the back side of the bar. But even still, they don't clamp through. So a modification that I made to the mill itself was putting these 3-inch pieces of angle bolted to the trailer. And so with these 3-inch pieces of angle iron bolted to the trailer that the rail rides on, everything is significantly more stable. And then with the addition of this little leg here at the end, it's a very stable runway. And with the angle iron bolted to the trailer, I was also able to make it more stable for my supports. Everything's all clamped together and relatively stable. And before, my supports came out on top of the deck instead of below the deck, and so that had the rail significantly higher, probably close to 6 inches with the 2x4s I had set up. And so the carriage sat pretty fucking low down to the ground. And so what I did to not bend over and pull the carriage was tie a ratchet strap around here, and I stood back here and just pulled it like I was doing rows. All in all, very happy. I got a half a trailer full of mostly straight wood.